How's it going, everyone, and welcome back. And today we're going to talk about the weird high-pitched noise from the AirPod. Well, if you found the high-pitched weird, like the crackling noise from your AirPod, and you would be worried about it, well, I would say just don't worry. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and solve the high-pitched noise from your AirPod just in a moment. So without wasting any more time, let's go. The first thing would be to simply disable enhancement feature. If you're using noise cancellation for or transparency mode, your AirPod may give you a high-pitched noise due to glitch. So you can simply disable them to fix the problem. To disable that, open settings. If you are connected to AirPod, it will show you the right up in the main settings. Simply just tap it on. Now open up the noise control panel, select off. Now don't select anything else than this. After that, try to play something and see if the high-pitched noise appears or not. Solution 2, check for interface and background noise. Well, the high-pitched sounds can happen when you are in a windy area where there's a sound feedback from the mic being too close to the speaker, or there could be other Bluetooth device interfering with the connections. It can move to a quieter spot and turn up the unnecessary background device or electronics. After that, test your AirPod again and see if that works or not. Now let's say you've done everything but still you have the same problem, then I would say follow last two process. In solution 3, we are going to talk a little about disabling automatic ear detection features in the AirPod. So these features is really useful as it disable all the AirPods when it's not in your ear, but it glitches on the AirPod can cause these features to release high-pitched noise. So go to the settings and tap on the AirPod in the menu settings and scroll down and turn up automatic ear detections. Once you turn it off, once you turn up the features, try to check your problems whether it's solved or not. If you have done everything so far and you found nothing by and large, then lastly I would say just go ahead and reset your AirPod. This is the only last thing that's going to be done to solve your problems. So if you're using an old AirPod, I would say go grab your AirPod, and if you found a button in the back, I would just go and press and hold it for about 15 seconds, and then you can actually reset it and check out your problems. If you have the new AirPod like mine, which has no button in the back, you have to just simply tap right here underneath of that light indicator. You have to double tap it 3 times, double tap, double tap, double tap, and double tap it, and then you will see your device will reset it and your problem is going to be solved. Still, if you have any more questions about these problems of your AirPod, please do let me know in the comment section, guys. See you all around.